The first few moments of this video is what inspired my painting today. I hope you enjoy it. If by chance this inspires you, please let me know in the comments below. A very small taste of the Van Gogh Immersive. Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today is Friday with Friends. And it's Masters Week. And because last September, when my friend Madeline was here visiting, we decided to go see the Van Gogh Immersive. I can't imagine doing any other master than Van Gogh. It was such an amazing experience at the time that who else would I possibly do? I couldn't even imagine doing anyone else but Van Gogh. And of course my dog just decided to have a barking fit at 6 o'clock at night. And I waited all day to paint. And my mailman comes at 12 noon. So I have no idea why she's barking now. But anyway, here we go. So I am going to, what I'm going to do here today is Van Gogh irises. Now, of course, I am not an artist like Van Gogh. I'm a fluid artist. And in my fluid art, I love to, I have my own little spin on things and what things are. And so this little spin today is my idea of what a Van Gogh iris is. So I was thinking about this for quite a while, and I wondered, what on earth could how could a fluid artist do this? So I thought about this and I thought about this, and I'm fixing my little hexagon here right now. I want to get the sides, get it all right now. So I'm thinking, what does a fluid artist have in common with Van Gogh? Well, I have a lot in common with Van Gogh. So he did his irises the first day he was put in the asylum. So I think that's quite interesting in itself. I haven't been to the asylum at all. Not yet, anyway. Oh, and by the way, we do have this wonderful thing coming up on the weekend. Let's not forget that. Tomorrow is the beginning of our collaboration, our large collaboration. May the force be with you. You know what I'm talking about. That big 23 artist collaboration. May the force be with you. This is with the 23 artists. You can look right down below and see what they are. See all those great artists. And I will give you a link at the end of my video Yeah, so you could see me tomorrow. And you can take a look at all those artists too. In the meantime, I do want to tell you about my Friday with friends. So first off tonight was my friend Tiffany. And I could only imagine the beautiful art that Tiffany is going to be giving you. And then is my good friend Lance, who does those gorgeous pearl pours. Quite amazing. Yes, he is. And then comes Cynthia Porter Studios. By the way, these great artists, these 3 artists that are before me, they're going to be in May the 4th. Yeah, so May the 4th be with you. They're also going to be in that collaboration. And if I'm not mistaken, they're going to be on Sunday. I'm going to be on Saturday, but they're going to be on Sunday. So you might want to take a look out for them also. Now, Nate Bright Art, who is the last one in our train tonight, he will be the first one starting us off on April 30th. So be sure to look out for Nate. But right now, I am getting ready for my chain pull. That's what I'm doing today. I am doing a chain pull. And yes, Van Gogh did not do a chain pull for his irises. No, he did not. But remember, this is my rendition of Van Gogh's irises, so I'm going to do it. Please excuse me, I totally forgot to mention Brian's Upper Valley Artistry, who is going to be playing after me, and then Nate Bright Art, who will be after Brian. So please go visit those 2 friends right after my video. You'll find their links also in the description below. You know, the stems of the leaves. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, when you look at Van Gogh's irises, at one time they were purple, violet, and I think, whoops, what happened here? I guess my paints have been laying there. It's a little bit too long. I watched those too many premieres before I started this paint. Anyway, I think the irises were about this color when they first started out. And then, lo and behold, what happened was, over time, they just got, they got old, and the painting got old, and they turned a little blue. So I'm going to start out, and I'm going to make some purple irises, and I'm going to see how that works for me. I might throw some blue in there too, just to see how it works out. So let's see how this goes. Cool. That looks pretty cool. And it looks so beautiful on that yellow. Yep, and that one looks pretty too. Look how gorgeous that looks. I am impressed. Absolutely stunning. So pretty. And don't forget, if you have not been to Tiffany, Lance, and Cynthia Porter Studio, please look down in my description. You will find links to all of their videos. Please take a look. You will not be disappointed, that's for sure. And Brian Upper Valley Artistry will be next. And then after that, Nate Bright Art. Don't forget to join me Saturday at 10:45 Pacific. May the 4th be with you. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today. Have a great day, everyone. Have a great evening. Have a great night. Bye-bye now. Be well and be safe. Please wait for the wet and the dry results. One of the things I did not understand was when I videoed the wet results, my background came out white. I'm wondering if it had to do with the flash that came on, just drowned out my yellow background, which is a little odd. But you can see the piggies in there, and you can see that metallic in the green. How beautiful that is.